생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 클럽에서 주문할 때
I'd like to order a drink. What do you recommend among your non-alcoholic drinks?
I recommend our tropical mocktail. It's today's special.
Sounds good. I'll take that.
Would you like to add a shot of flavor syrup?
No thanks. I'll keep it simple. What do you recommend for appetizers or snacks?
We have fries, nachos, and a finger food platter.
The finger food platter sounds great.
Great choice. And good news. It's happy hour, so all appetizers are 20% off.
Perfect. I'll enjoy that. Thanks.